One sentence ended his career. At least that's what everyone thought. You lack imagination and good ideas. The man who heard these words changed the world. His name was Walt Disney.
Walt Disney was born in 1901 in Chicago. His family was not rich. Money was always a problem. As a child, Walt loved one thing more than anything else: drawing. While other kids played outside, Walt sat with a pencil and paper and drew animals, faces, small worlds. He did not know it yet, but this quiet habit would shape his entire life. As a young man, Walt got a job at a newspaper. It felt like the first step toward his dream, but one day his boss called him in and said, "You lack imagination and good ideas." Walt was fired. Imagine hearing that, when imagination is everything you have. That sentence stayed with him for years. For many people, this would be the end. For Walt, it was only the beginning. Walt started his first animation studio in Kansas City. It was called Laugh-O-Gram Studio. He worked day and night. He believed in cartoons when almost no one else did. But the company failed. It went bankrupt. Walt lost everything. At one point, he was so poor that he could barely afford food. Still, he kept drawing. With almost nothing left, Walt moved to California. His older brother, Roy, believed in him. Roy believed in numbers. Walt believed in ideas. Together, they started a small company. They worked in a tiny office. No money, no guarantees, just two brothers and one dream. This company would later become the Walt Disney Company. Their first big success was a character named Oswald. But then, disaster. Walt lost the legal rights to Oswald. The character he created was no longer his. On a long train ride back home, Walt felt defeated. And then, an idea appeared. A small mouse. Simple, friendly. He named him Mickey Mouse. That mouse changed everything. Years later, Walt had a new dream. Not a movie, not a cartoon, a place where adults and children could feel happy together. Disneyland. Banks laughed. They said it was too risky, too expensive, too strange. He was rejected again and again, dozens of times, hundreds of times, and still, he refused to stop. When no one wanted to help, Walt used his own life insurance as money. His brother Roy made risky deals. They bet everything on one idea. In 1955, Disneyland opened. Many thought it would fail. It didn't. It became a symbol of imagination made real. Walt Disney never stopped creating. The first full-length animated films, beloved characters, stories that traveled across the world. He won 26 Academy Awards, more than anyone else ever.
So, if someone tells you that your ideas are not good enough, remember this. A man once fired for lack of imagination created magic for millions. And maybe your story is just beginning.